How to fix product activation failed on Microsoft Office. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to do a quick fix if ever your Microsoft Office shows activation failed. So all you have to do is to open your File Explorer and go to this PC that is located on the left side panel of the screen. And then go to Windows C. From here, you need to open Program Files and then look for Common Files. Once you click on that, you will be able to see Microsoft Shared. And here is the part where you need to run the Office Software Protection Platform 3 times. You need to run this 3 times in order for your Microsoft Office to work. So once that is done, all you have to do is to reopen the Microsoft Office. You can try with Microsoft Word. When you open the software and then open a blank document, you will now see that it no longer has the error or an indication that it is an activation failed for the software. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.